First of all, it's a Central European country, so everybody can go there very easily and very fast. Here it has been a lot of ACT members who helped us a lot to find the right tracks.
Having a more central ACT that is a little bit more direction to the beginners will be a really nice introduction into the entire ACT universe.
There were some nice off-road sections which we enjoyed. We're all having fun, kind of growing together as a group, and that's what it's all about.
5 days riding, an amazing team spirit, awesome track. We had off-road, on-road, really nice twisty small roads.
Sometimes you need to help each other, but nothing is dangerous at all, and that's the most important thing for beginners, that you don't get yourself too much into trouble. Just try it. With a little bit of experience you can make it.